Middle of the night, hot as stink. I can't sleep. I'm sure you're wide awake too, because we're melting. Anyway, so I'm sitting here eating some olives that I remembered that I had. And I'm looking out here. See that guy? He's been sitting there all day. They seem fine. And now I'm guessing they're just kind of zoning out. I threw them an olive to see if they wanted it. But yeah, that's where the seagulls go to sleep. Are you feeling hot out there too, buddy? Is your name Jonathan Livingston? Hi.